found my queen, so this is a blessing. There she is right in there. Right. I don't know if you can see her. She's a little bit bigger than the rest of them. A little bit. And they're kind of protecting her. Still in there. But she's here, and I'll point to her. Right below my finger, right there, is the queen. And hopefully, here she's maneuvering right now. She's moving a little bit. But that's the queen of the hive. I'm glad that she's thriving and she's okay. So we got a queen. Just keep an eye on her for just a second and give her a watch. Hopefully she's going to be laying eggs, and we'll have this hive. Oh, woohoo, I'm so excited. That made my day because we lost our other hive in Hondo. The bees must have not liked it, got too hot out there and they swarmed. So, okay. There she is, moving out and about the colony right there. What a nice queenie you are. Okay. Hooray!